Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're wondering what is multiple income funnel. Maybe you saw a post on Facebook about this, or someone approached you and you're really wanting to do your research to see, is this the right opportunity for you? What is all involved? And what are you expected to do on a daily or weekly basis to start to make money with this business? Well, you're in the right place because I've actually been involved in this system for over a week now because it just recently launched at the time of recording this video. And I'm going to break down all these different questions and more. So by the end of the video, you can go out there feeling confident that you know exactly what is multiple income funnel. So I'm inside of this website right now. And before I break down everything you need to know, I want to share with you that there's going to be a link directly below this video. So at any time you see an opportunity for yourself or you want more information, you can click that link and then start to set up an account and go through the process. Now, what I want to share with you is that there's just 4 simple steps inside of this system. When you actually create an account, you'll get taken to this website, okay? Now, very simply, what multiple income funnel is, it's a system that allows you to generate reoccurring and instant paying affiliate commissions on autopilot. Okay, so if you've ever tried to promote something in the past online, maybe you've done affiliate marketing or you've joined a business, then chances are you've had to do quite a bit of work, right? Maybe you're not someone that's technical. I know I'm not very technical. Maybe you're someone that's brand new and you just want some extra income. Well, most things online, they require you to create your own website. They require you to write your own follow-up emails, to follow up with people, to try to convert that into a sale, right? There's a lot of work you typically have to do. But what multiple income funnel is, it basically does 90% of the work for you. So all the back end stuff, such as selling the person, such as following up with the person to make the sale, such as upselling them into different income streams, all that is taken care of for you. The only thing you have to do is send people to one affiliate link. Okay, and if you don't even know how to do that, which is totally fine, I'm going to share with you as you stick with me in this video how to make sure you can easily and effortlessly get people to your link. Now, before I dive into more information, I want to share with you the power of this system, okay? Because this right here is just income stream number 1. There's actually 4 different income streams, which I'm going to cover in a second inside this system. But just with the first income stream, sending some people to click my affiliate link, you can see that multiple commissions, okay, right here, multiple different payments are coming in every single day, okay? Now, I've just been inside a little over a week, and you can see that I've already been able to generate over $2,300 in reoccurring monthly commissions, okay? Now, the average 4-person family in America barely makes $3,000 a month, in just a little over a week using strategies I'm going to share with you and this exact system. I've been able to generate close to that, okay, which is absolutely incredible. So the 4 steps, step number 1 is basically where you can join the Facebook group, which is full of tons of members, many brand new people that are making money, okay? They're going to share support, they're going to share tips, success stories, okay? So you want to join that. Step number 2 is where you create accounts inside the 4 different income streams, okay? And there's step-by-step video training right here that you can watch. And on the right side is where you would actually create the account and then put in your username, okay? So these different income streams will give you different usernames that you can create, okay? That will basically make sure that you get credit for that sale. Now, when you put that information in here and you save it, now when you promote that one link, which again, I'll share with you in a second, as people go through under you these different steps and they create an account and upgrade in the different income streams, you will get credit and you will actually earn autopilot commissions, okay? Now, I did a video recently on all these different income streams, breaking them down as far, and even the compensation plan on how much you make per sale with the different income streams. If you want more information on that, I'm going to include some links under this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can click those links after this and go into more detail. But basically, income stream number 2 is Easy One Up, which is a training platform. Textbot is a software that allows you to send text messages to whatever phone numbers you want. I recommend you just send people that are interested in this business a text message to follow up with them. And then Traffic Authority is a platform that allows you to actually purchase traffic or clicks to a website. Okay, so now that you know what is multiple income funnel, and I'm going to again share a little bit more information, I also want to share how you can start getting people to click your link, because that's really all we have to do. So what you want to do is go up to the top where it says links, and if you click that, you'll see you get different capture pages that you can choose from. Now you just want to pick one main one. Okay, now I like this first one, but they all work. And you would copy this link. Okay, so you could open it here and you would copy that link to a text file or put it somewhere handy. And that is the link that you're going to promote. Okay, because once someone clicks your link, they'll get taken to this website. They'll see this curiosity building headline. They'll click this button and they'll put their name and email in. Okay, now once they do that and hit watch the video, they're going to get taken to this page. Now this is a video that explains multiple income funnel for you. Okay, if you've ever done something like network marketing or promoted something else, chances are maybe you had to get on the phone with people and explain the business, or you had to try to create a video yourself. This video does an amazing job. Most people who watch this video go down and set up their system, paying the $49 a month or the one-time around $350 annual, for the entire year. They do that, most people. So when you send people, again, to this page, they put their email in, they will get taken to this, and most people buy. Now, the people that don't buy instantly, the people that don't get started right away, they will actually, because they put their email in, start getting followed up with through automated follow-up emails that are built into this system. Okay, again, you don't have to create your own follow-up emails. It's all done for you. Now, last but not least, before I get going, how do you get people to this link is what you're probably thinking, because the more people that you get to click the link, the more sales you're going to get. What you want to do is a couple things. If after you go through the process here, and set up the different income streams, you invest at the highest levels you can. If you have some money still left over, then what I recommend you do is go to the top tab under traffic, log in. Okay, this is actually income stream number 4 in the system. You go to traffic store and then you purchase a traffic package. Now this gives you clicks to whatever website you want, but I recommend you go to other website and you put in your link. You put in this link, okay? And then you just place order, and now you'll start getting clicks. I have an active order here. You can see I've already had 54 clicks, and I've started making sales from this source, okay? Another thing you want to keep in mind, maybe you don't have a lot of extra money. I know a lot of people, after they invest in the different income streams, they want free methods, right? Methods you can get traffic or clicks to your affiliate link for free. Well, when you join me, at the link under this video, you are going to get access to bonus training, Training that's step-by-step, over the shoulder, that I've personally created, that's going to share with you strategies such as how to use Facebook, to get leads and sales, how to use other social media methods, and all of it, again, is very, very step-by-step, and you're learning from someone that's on the leaderboards and making multiple affiliate commissions. So again, all you have to do is go down under this video, click that link. Eventually, once you follow the steps, you'll get taken to this site. Go through the 4 steps, set up your income streams, and then look out for an email from me where I will share with you the bonuses. And also, you can go up to traffic and send people to your link. Once you set everything up, you just send people to your one link, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you learned what is multiple income funnel. If you have any other questions about this system, be sure to comment them under this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll be sure to answer them. Last but not least, click the link, and I will see you over on my website.